Ni hao, beautiful people. So today's recipe is from China. I decided to do, there's so many Chinese recipes. China is a country full of culture, full of beautiful food. I decided to do Mongolian chicken with a bed of rice and a side of broccoli. So let's get started. For this recipe, it was very easy. This is the end result. Do you see that glaze that it has there? These are the ingredients that you're going to be needing. So I use chicken tenders diced up, green peppers, one lemon, one whole lemon. I also use one yellow onion, about medium size. I use baking powder, as you can see there. I also use sesame seeds as garnishment at the end, salt, paprika, and teriyaki. For the original recipe, you use soy sauce, and I use about 2 cups of white rice and 2 bunches of broccoli. So I'm squeezing a half a lemon into the chicken. This chicken, I diced it up into small pieces and I washed it well. And now I'm going to be adding baking powder to the chicken. I know this seems weird, but the baking powder is gonna tenderize the meat and also give it that crispy texture and helps to seal and absorb the the juice from the meat as you cook it in the oil. Now I'm adding some salt. You want to add about 2 or 3 pinches of salt, salted to taste as you like it. If you like to have less salt, you certainly can. So here I'm adding the chicken. You want to let the chicken marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then you want to cook it in high heat. There, as you can see, I'm cooking it in sesame oil. I use about 3/4 cups of sesame oil, and now I'm adding the chicken to the oil. And you want to cook it for about 5 to 8 minutes on each side because you want it to be crispy and tender at the same time. There I cut up the broccoli into small pieces and I put it to oil. Now I'm adding the other half of the lemon into my sauce with some paprika, and also I forgot to mention that for this recipe you're going to be needing some garlic paste. And I'm just stirring it well to stir in the paprika into the soy sauce and to stir in well the garlic paste. People, beautiful people, this recipe was so delicious and so easy to make. There I'm showing you the meat, how it's coming out, and I'm letting it cook now for another about 5 minutes. And the broccoli, you want to cook it until the color turns about dark green. So now I'm adding the sliced up green peppers and onions. The chicken has already been cooked and I removed it from the oil. And you want to add the fried chicken back into it. And then add your sauce. People, this was such a simple and easy recipe, and can I say that everyone in my family loved the taste of this recipe. And it's healthy because it's so veggie filled. So now you want to cook this and just stir fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes until the sauce evenly coats the chicken and the green peppers and the onions are tender. So this recipe is almost done. It was such an honor to cook this recipe, my beautiful people. It tasted amazing. The color, the texture of it was so good. And the best part about it was the flavor. So there I'm just stirring, and here I'm adding the garnishment at the end, which was the sesame seeds. Look at the beautiful people, how it came out. So delicious. And then there you can see the broccoli is almost done, and this is the end result. Look at how beautiful. the chicken stirred with the vegetables on a bed of rice, the side of broccoli. Simple and healthy recipe. My beautiful people, please feel free to comment down below, like, and tell me what you think. Thank you.